Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to choose your seat when booking a flight on the Expedia mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Expedia app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, tap Flights. Now enter your departure time, city, destination, travel date. After that, tap on Search. Browse the options and tap the flight you want to book. Once you choose your flight, tap Select and continue to the passenger details and payment screen. Now here is something important. Not all flights let you choose your seat directly in the Expedia. Some airlines will show a select seats option before you pay, while others will let you to do it after booking through the airline website. If seat selection is available on Expedia, you will see a screen saying select your seat. Tap on the seat map and choose your preferred seat, window or extra legroom. Confirm and continue to pay. If you don't see a seat selection option, finish booking your flight as usual. Open book, go to the trips tab, open the flight and look for the manage booking or seat selection link. This will take you the airline site where you can pick your seat, and that's it. That's how you choose your seat on the Expedia mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.